had many organization projects around my apartment that I just keep saying, oh, I need to get to that, I need to get to this, and I just don't end up doing it. And now it's at the point where the list is growing and I feel like I need to tackle it before it becomes a beast that is too overwhelming. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I figure, you know what, why not kind of get our lives organized together, bring you along with me. One of those projects that I need to tackle is above my fridge. There's also this cupboard right above my microwave that has cleaning products and extra filters and just random stuff for the apartment. I think doing both of these is gonna take 20-30 minutes tops. It's really sad that I've been putting it off for that long when it's really like nothing crazy that I have to do, but I feel like we as humans sometimes do that to ourselves. Instead of just tackling something when it comes up, we brush it aside for a future self, and then future self becomes present self, and we're like, why did we do that? Oh my goodness. If you want to see more organization videos and productivity videos and all that fun stuff, I have more planned for the new year, so make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and let's start, because we need to do this. This needs to be off my to-do list. This is the situation up on the fridge. Not too bad, but definitely needs a good dusting, and I kind of want to get rid of that stuff so that it's clear and looks a little bit better, because I think this looks not so bueno. And then this cupboard right here also needs everything just taken out, and I need to assess what's actually in here, because I know there's stuff in the back that I'm not quite sure what they are, what I have, all the things. I love these clips from IKEA for keeping bags closed. I use them all the time. However, I didn't know I had so many of them. They were buried in the back of the cupboard. So I'm gonna put them in this mason jar to keep them all in one place. Simple solution right there. I was able to clear out a decent amount of space because I moved that stack of paper plates and napkins to the cupboard above my stove, which makes a lot more sense because this is the cupboard of things that I never access. Those paper plates have been in this apartment since the first year I moved in here, going on like 5 years. I don't know what to do with them. I'm waiting for the day that I have use for them. I think the plan here is I'm gonna make, obviously, like the bottom stuff, the shelf that I can reach, stuff that I use more often, and then up top is gonna be more of my extra supply station. I'm also realizing that my first aid kit has also been here since the first year that I moved into this apartment, and it's actually quite depleted. A lot of tools have actually been used. There's some band-aids and stuff, but otherwise, I think I need to get a new first aid kit. There's not even gauze in here anymore. Oh boy, what's happened? What things have gone down in this place? I should note that I do use now reusable masks as much as possible. I think I've had this box still from the spring when I bought masks because panic had ensued. Fridge is so much clearer now. I've kept the markers there for the whiteboard, but the rest is just produce bags and the first aid kit I have to replace. And this cupboard is looking extra suave. I can see everything. I even now have a mental check of what I have. Much better. Since first year of university, I have been using this cutting board, and it's not very big. I've known for a long time that I really need to get a bigger cutting board. So I am pumped. I showed this in a vlog, but I am pumped to now own a really adult cutting board. This is a pure wood cutting board, maple wood. It's from Paderno. The amount of joy I feel over owning one of these is a little concerning. I'm 23 going on 24, getting excited about cutting boards. I really thought this was a phase for my 30s, but we're already here. I'm scared to know what excites me in my 30s. I have to treat it with mineral oil because this is a cutting board that like requires maintenance. I have to take care of it just like I would a plant. Oh, such a satisfying sound. Apparently I'm supposed to apply this liberally. And then I'm gonna take a cloth and work it in with the grain. Ooh, this is fun. I'm gonna get in all these crevices. Ooh, they look so sexy. Ew, I'm very confused. Moment of truth. Hell yeah. Doing some errands, which, speaking of which, I actually hung this yesterday. I just put a command strip on a hook by my door so that I can hang my face masks. 2020, 2021 vibes, eh? This unit right here, the shelves, this is like where my beauty stuff is and extra skincare things. It's just a mess right now. Well, not like a horrible mess, but it could be a lot better, and there are things in here that I need to throw out, and I don't even know what's in these bins, so I just need to kind of take a little bit to sort through it. One of the ways that I really try to minimize the overwhelming feeling when I'm tackling a space, because there's quite a bit of stuff in that cabinet, is I focus on really just like small things at a time. So for example, right now I'm just gonna focus on this basket. I'm gonna ignore everything else, keep my focus here until this basket is at a place I feel more comfortable with. So I'm gonna start going through things. Like, this is a new tongue cleaner that I got. I need to open this and just get rid of the packaging. And there we go, that needs to go into the bathroom. I've got extra mascara, I've got body lotion, face moisturizer, more face moisturizer. That's another thing, group like things together, makeup and skincare, put it together. Any of these little packages, like these, this was like part of a birthday gift from Sephora. Like, I need to get rid of them because they just add bulk. I have a lot of skincare, so let's start with the skincare. I was able to minimize that basket quite a bit, and now I can pretty much see everything at a glance that is in here. There's not like tons of surprises in it, so that means I'll know like not to buy makeup remover anytime soon, or moisturizer, because I've got 2 full-size moisturizing products. On the left here I just have like pantyhose, a body loofah, and some extra vitamins, and then this is all of my travel pouches that I use regularly whenever I go home. This is the box that goes up top. That is my broken vlog camera that I really should just get rid of, but I have this theory that one day I'm gonna be inclined to get it repaired. Backless bras and nipple covers and jewelry travel kit, because I don't need to access these as much. It goes up there. Same with this basket. It's all of my clothing repair treatment stuff. I don't need to access this all the time, so it will also go on the top shelf. Now I just need to focus on these 2. Who knew I owned these beauties? I sure didn't, or else I would have worn them. They're cute. It's like, why do I hold on to old mascara tubes? These are all done. What am I doing? I'm amused by the fact that I thought this was gonna be a 20-30 minute complete job project when it took me 20-30 minutes just to clean all of these acrylic containers. I really should have split this up over the course of a few days, but you know what? I'm progressing forward. Another small task that, again, I could reserve for a single day to make not all of this such a task. I haven't cleaned these makeup brushes in a disturbing amount of time, so that is gonna change today. I'm gonna assume it's been a while since you've cleaned your makeup brushes as well, so I think this is something that you should maybe put on the top of your list because it's important to do. I'm gonna use Pure Castile soap. This is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 baby unscented Pure Castile soap, certified fair trade, blah blah blah, lots of words on this bottle. I use this as my body wash in the shower and for shaving and also for makeup brush cleaning. I've had this Naked Basics palette for way too long. They don't even make this anymore. It has been very well loved, but I think it's time for the health of my eyeballs to finally put this in the garbage. I have to let it go. It's time. I'm a grown woman. I need to not have an attachment to my makeup palette. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how much better this cabinet looks? The thing I like most about it is that I was able to declutter these drawers, so now I actually have room to grow. You know, there's like space in case I do get new things, which, you know, I don't have any plans to fill it, but I much prefer to have sort of empty spaces than like completely full ones. Same up here too, like these jewelry things are not full. The only thing I don't love is how marked up this area has gotten, which I might try a magic eraser on it, but I'll keep it here. I'll keep this shelf on this tier while it's my makeup section because I can always flip the shelves around if I want this to be clean. And another thing I did is I separated my makeup brushes. So all of my thick makeup brushes, like my big boys, the face brushes are up here, and then all the eyeshadow ones are down here. And I just think it looks nice and clean. Filming this video though has really inspired me to schedule in more of these 20 to 30 minute mini organization projects because it's just more fun to do them. It's not as much work, so you feel like you can really get into it, and I think you end up doing a better job at really getting that space figured out because you know, it's not a huge time commitment. When you're doing like a whole room, by the end of the room you're kind of over it, or at least that's my experience. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what's a mini organization project on your to-do list, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye guys.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that